Alright guys, we are in Rishi's new hacker house. And what is it called? It's called the 7-Eleven house as of right now, but it might change.
No name.
No change. Any thoughts?
I actually call it, I call it SPG.
We just moved in some couches and stuff like that, about to get some more, but what are your initial thoughts and feelings on just like moving into this place?
Moving into this
actually
place
like happening right now.
Dude, I was talking to my camera the other day, yesterday.
Yeah.
I just got here at 2 a.m. so it's only been 13 hours.
Yeah.
And I was telling Tony, like, what was I even saying, bro? Like, it's hard to, for the longest time I haven't had my own place. It's been 600 days. Like, I've been just in different cities every week traveling. So this almost felt like another week of just, packing another suitcase again. But it's so different this time because like
it's permanent.
It feels a little more permanent, and
you're only 20 minutes away from me.
Tony, what did I say to make it like actually capture the actual sentiment of what I was?
Well, I can relate because are you trying to talk about?
This is the thing that impacted me the most is for the longest time when I go back home, it's like I'm at home, I'm with my parents, and then I leave. Now it's like I'm visiting my parents for a few days, for a weekend. It's shifting. Now I'll be leaving here and coming back here. It's a whole different thing. Like, it's crazy. I don't think people know it's coming.
This is the pre-start, before the start. Yeah. The pre-stall, before the stall. Look at this mop. I can mop the floor with this shit.
All right. Rishi, R-I-S-H-I.
Canva Inception.
What's that Spider-Man meme? Alright guys.
How do you like it?
It is day 5 without power. Just got to Rishi's place and I was hoping to do some work and edit, but the power actually went out, and to my surprise it's been out for like
it didn't just go out.
2 months. It's been 2 months. Rishi cut off the power, and I don't know why he does this.
Guys, it's
to all of
this.
this.
It's been 2 months.
2 months of no power, and I come here for the second time, hoping to like bond and do some work together. He hasn't opened up a laptop. He's been on his phone. He's got his own cellular data, and like, I don't know. I just feel like he doesn't want like other people to benefit from Wi-Fi. Like he uses the cellular.
It's been 6 months.
He's using his own cellular data, and obviously like he can't share that. So it's like he's the only one that has power. Like I'm forced to like make this clip right here. Like I don't get this, and then Tony over here stealing my tripod.
Because I went to Video Summit too, and I didn't get a chance to experience it.
Yeah, but is that my fault?
Yeah.
I don't.
You didn't tell me.
But I will say this: my first initial thoughts of the place. It's very aesthetic, and it fits my what do they call it? Instagram feed tone.
It does, dude.
So I really like that. I told him he should get a full length mirror. He told me to go fuck myself. So I don't.
So we have a date later tonight. Site, and I actually have the owner on site with me as well. Any chance we can have someone come by right now? Because I'm pretty sure that I don't know. Like, I feel like we do have all that stuff, but I was just down looking at all the meters yesterday and stuff.
If you can give me just a moment, let me
Place and just like took some wires and we're like, That's probably what just happened, bro. We got some homeless guy just fucking chopping at our shit. Like just put like the Joker music and just like.
All right, guys. So after 2 months. After two.
The things people do for YouTube.
This is for myself, man. So after 2 months, guys, the power is finally on. Rishi finally got going and made a call. People are here making adjustments to the apartment. As you guys can see here, it is charging. Outlets are up. Tony, how you feeling?
I'm feeling like a new person, bro.
Feels like a new. Irman, how you feeling, buddy?
I feel like my whole entire soul just got rebirthed by the new white light, bro. It's so good. I have a halo around my soul. I'm just here. I'm on the 4th dimension.
I finally take a shower. That's all I'm gonna say.
it is, last time I updated you, it was probably like 2 months after the power finally came on. The power went out for the past, like, it came on that day and then actually went back out, and this is like the second time this month, same month, that I've got power, but things are going well. We're living off of Skittles, Hall's coughing drops, basically just candy here. But hey, like, you know, we got this nice view. Friend Rishi's here, Tony's here, Erman's over there jacking up. No, he's not jacking up, I'm just kidding. But yeah, we're just having a good time, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if I'm including it here, but if so, I just wanted to end it here just in case I forget to. If you can see Tony in the background, he's dancing. But yeah, I can definitely see this house, this space becoming, it is already becoming a content house, and I'm excited for it. And yeah, don't forget, I always forget to remind you guys to like and subscribe. And yeah, see you guys on the next one.